up, netizens? You're watching DarkStar. My name's Anthony. I'm enjoying my fellow reaction. Joey, what's up, dude?
So, dude.
Did anyone be watching Death Battle? Black Canary versus Sindel. Who's your boss?
I don't care. Go Black Canary.
I'm in on twice. I'm just kidding. Okay, I'm gonna go with Black Canary as well, because Black Canary. I mean, come on, Sindel. Sindel's like the mom, isn't she?
Send who?
Sindel's like the mom in fucking the Mortal Kombat movies, at least. She's probably not the mom in the fucking actual games, but she's the mom in the Mortal Kombat movies, and she's like, no, no, Black Canary for sure. Have you seen the chick that plays Black Canary in Arrow? She looks good sometimes.
She does sometimes.
Let's go ahead and check this bad boy out. Oh,
It's
that
a
was
trope
uncalled
we're
for.
all familiar with. The damsel in distress crying for help.
Yeah, Wiz, don't think that's the case here, because these two are the opposite. If you ever hear their cry, you're dead.
Black Canary.
What's
the
that fucking
blonde
Team
bare-knuckle
America
brawler
shit
of
with
DC
fucking Disney
Comics.
princesses going on in the
And
background?
Sindel, the literal scream queen from Mortal Kombat. He's Wiz and I'm Boomstick.
And it's our job to analyze their weapons, armor, and skills to find out who would win a death battle.
That hair, though. Holy shit.
Behold, the Justice Society of America, the first recorded team of superheroes in the DC universe.
Where else could you find a boxer in a catsuit chilling with the spirit of God's divine wrath?
And among these men and gods stood a woman, the judo-chopping Black Canary.
Wait, why a canary? Canaries don't know judo? Or do they?
However, this is not the Black Canary we'll be focusing on today. See, the Black Canary of the Golden Age may have been a skilled crime fighter in her own right, but the one who made the moniker a household name was her daughter, Dinah Laurel Lance.
I wanted to be a crime fighter just like her mom.
I knew that.
She's got that outfit. I'll give her that.
The furry boxer I mentioned earlier.
Her
Team
mother
Arrow,
wasn't
dude,
very
Birds of
happy
Prey.
about that, though. Young Dinah's career could have ended then and there.
Girls, if you
Not for the
cosplay as
discovery
Black
of what
Canary,
she
people
likes
might
to
not know
call
who you
her
are, but they're
Canary
gonna fucking
pride.
like it.
Cases such as these weren't ordinary, but well explained. See, Dinah possessed the meta gene, a dormant slice of genetic code present in about 12% of humanity, granting superhuman abilities.
Yeah, Wizard did it. With her new power and martial arts training, Dinah took up her mother's mantle and became Black Canary. The
Doesn't
second
even
one.
bother
Is it
with the
weird that her
fucking
mom
secret
was
identity?
also named Dinah?
Well, I guess
There is a
sometimes she
permanent
does.
dynasty.
Fun fact,
I
originally
don't know,
she
heroes
disguised
nowadays put on
herself by
glasses
donning
or
a
something,
blonde
dude.
wig, but eventually just dyed it permanently.
Blonde? Don't you mean
What?
yellow?
Doesn't that defeat the purpose of it being a
Regardless,
disguise?
The Canary cry is no joke. By emitting focused ultrasonic sound,
I'm gonna wear
Dinah
this
can
blonde
annihilate
wig so they don't know
heroes
who I
anyone
am.
nearby.
And then she was
Or
like,
just ramp
oh,
up
no,
the
no, no,
guns
she
and
worked,
blow
so she
people
would be her
away with
mom.
shockwaves.
That's right.
She can even stop a runaway train.
It's quite versatile too. She can focus her cries into small sonic projectiles or broaden them to affect entire
Damn,
cities.
she's a sniper.
And by screaming hard enough at the ground, she can freaking fly. How the hell does that shit work?
Let's dig into this for a bit. For a sound wave to become a shock wave, it must possess an intensity of at least 194 decibels. For reference, Black Canary's highest recorded scream clocks in at over 300 decibels.
That's the same level of bulls as a volcano erupting.
All that power comes with a fairly obvious weakness, though. If her throat is damaged, she'll be unable to produce the cry.
Oh,
That's
judo
why
chop
she's
in the
got
throat,
some
she's done.
nifty ultrasonic canary bombs that do the super shouting for her.
Not to say she's useless without her superpower, of course.
She's one of
Wow,
God's greatest
that was some
masters.
next level
Thanks to
martial
Wildcat
arts,
and
dude.
her mother, Dinah has trained in jujitsu, karate,
Fucking
Krav Maga,
Matrix, dude.
capoeira, and many more styles of martial arts.
She did the same judo chop attack like 6 times straight. Like, what the hell?
By pushing a single nerve cluster.
She's basically the furious, blood-soaked love child of Kenshiro and the bride from Kill Bill.
Hell yeah,
So,
Kill Bill.
Before we go on, all this kung fu talk makes me want to see a judo canary in action. And
Damn,
what
she
better
is
opponent
wrecking
than a
your
very
girl right
effective
now, dude.
Miss Howard.
Yes.
Did you teach it, judo?
Even if it sucks, still want to watch Birds of Prey.
Turns out they don't know judo. Where was the heads up on that one, Wiz?
Even with all that, Dinah's greatest strength is perhaps her uncanny ability to learn and adapt mid-fight. It's what makes her such a great sparring partner to superhuman martial arts masters like Wonder Woman. It was during a fight with her, in fact,
Wonder
that
Woman
Black
would
Canary claimed she
fucking-
could perceive time down to the nanosecond.
Sounds
dick.
crazy, right? But believe it,
I'm Black
how
Canary.
else could she keep up with someone like Wonder Woman? Or how about the time she battled these red tornado androids? Green Lantern was using his power ring to scan for weaknesses, but Dinah said F that and stabbed it hundreds of times super fast. She found its literal Achilles heel before the power ring finished scanning.
That's right, she outsped an alien supercomputer. Keep in mind, Dinah does not technically possess superhuman speed or strength.
But I wouldn't be surprised if she secretly drank
What?
some super soldier serum at some point, cause she can outmuscle superhumans and smash steel like it's flimsy wood.
Given the yield strength of steel and the size of her elbow, Dinah must have exerted a force of around 27 tons.
The gal survived a fall into the ocean from a
Well,
feet
there's some
to keep
mega
her own
bullshit
country
going on right now.
back at her.
It helps that she has a special membrane in her ears that protects her from shockwaves.
Can't say the same for this
Got all
robot
sorts of
suit
weird
up
shit
there,
I didn't know
so
about. Why
for
is she
murder
doing
that
this in the
being,
Arrow?
With the combined powers of the entire Justice League, he sure could have packed some aspirin.
She may be stubborn and hot-headed,
Well,
but with her
you're a few
powers and
seasons
training
behind.
fine-tuned,
I
she
am.
proved her mom
That's right.
wasn't the only Black Canary.
Those crossovers with the Flash, she
leader,
might
the
be
leader.
With groups
a
such as
fucking
the
monster by
Birds
now.
of Prey, and at one point took charge of the Justice League, the spiritual successor
I'm
to the
behind
original
you.
Justice Society.
Next to her main man, Green Arrow. They spent a lot of time sticking arrows in that quiver, if you know what I mean. They did sex.
Long story short, Black Canary is without a doubt one of the most badass women in comic book history.
Damn, she's a lot stronger than I thought.
Still taking Wonder Woman.
Well, good thing
Gonna
she's
whoop
not
her
fighting
ass,
Wonder
dude.
Woman,
Denia
and
was
she's
a
fighting
paradise.
the chick she had
A
to shit on.
Garden of Eden, if you will.
You said that like it
You
was
don't know
supposed to
anything
be
about
clever.
Sindel,
Under
dude.
the rule of King Jared,
Sindel wins
King
this, and Sindel
the
can beat
realm
Wonder Woman,
prospered
dude.
For millennia,
Confirmed.
until the arrival of
Sindel
outright
about to
conqueror
drop the
Shao
Sind.
Kahn and the
Be
tournament
left with the
of
L.
Combat.
Mortal Kombat!
By
Got
the
'em.
decree of the Elder Gods, an invading force from another realm must defeat the defending world 10 consecutive times in a tournament to the death.
Unfortunately for Adenia, Khan dabbed on their asses and won Adenia for himself.
To legitimize his rule, Khan murdered Jared, married Sindel, and adopted her daughter Katana as his own. Excessive? Probably.
Needless to say, Cindy wasn't too happy about all that. But it turns out she was a kung fu sorcerer. So, to avenge her kingdom, she underwent a mystic ritual where she offed herself to protect Khan's next target, Earthrealm. And it worked!
For a time. After 10,000 years of hopelessly failing to take the Earth, Khan learned how to undo her protective ward. Sindel was resurrected, brainwashed, and transformed into a fierce queen of dark magic and terror.
She was back and ready to slay. And holy shit, did she!
Sindel's Edenian physiology gives her superhuman strength, speed, and durability, allowing her to make mincemeat of Mortal Kombat's regular combatants.
You better have said that with a K.
And despite being dead for the past 10,000 years, she's somehow a master of two forms of Chinese Kung Fu. Jiaquan originates from northern China and is known for its eloquent, graceful, extended movements. Fu Pai, also known as the Tiger Claw system, focuses on fast, powerful strikes.
Sindel also wields a Quan Do.
Think I saw those in Kung Fu Panda.
Range deflection and carving people up like a Thanksgiving turkey.
Though she hardly needs a weapon when she already has one. Her hair. She can command it to stretch like a tentacle, constrict opponents, and act essentially as an extra prehensile limb.
Not gonna lie, Wiz, that's, kinda hot.
Oh? You still think so if she used it to spin you like a top fast enough to obliterate your body?
What a way to go.
Okay, well, all that pales in comparison to her signature ability, the Banshee Scream. This ultrasonic shout is powerful enough to detonate heads, split limbs, and rend flesh. Her screaming power can even be focused into mystical
Her
fireballs
scream
of
seems
destruction
stronger.
called Star Screamers.
Oh, like that Transformer that we had that pony eat his soul.
No. Sindel once screamed with enough force to annihilate a large part of a canyon. This resembles the effects of a magnitude 5.0
There's
earthquake,
no
comparable
way
to nearly
that
500
fucking movie
tons
is
of
canon.
TNT exploding all at once.
There's no
With power
fucking
like that,
way.
It's no wonder she was able to strut through Earthrealm's mightiest heroes, which include our old pal, Sub-Zero! What, I kept it as a souvenir.
Who, along with most of the series combatants, can shatter a block of pure diamond with his bare hand. A feat like this would require a pressure of at least 60 gigapascals. That's over 4,300 tons of force per square inch.
And Cabal!
Who was fast enough to swat machine gun fire out of the air, like the flies and
I
I mean,
mean,
it's definitely harder to fucking break diamond with your bare
Judging
fist
by
than
the
it is
likely
to
muzzle
fucking
velocity and rate of fire,
break a
Cabal
metal
must
arm
have been
thing.
reacting within 600ths of a second in order to consistently parry these bullets.
And he blocked a bunch of them back to back to back. Too bad Sindel wound up getting blown up and brainwashed all over again. Man, this chick can't catch a break, though the zombie MILF thing's kind of working for her.
Well, that's only one possible timeline. In the original story, she was actually freed from Shao Kahn and regained control of Edenia. In another, it seems the killing of her royal husband was actually her plan all along.
Either way, we're talking about Mortal Kombat. They all die eventually. But compared to the Queen, everyone else might as well have been silent.
I made her seem super OP.
I mean, her feats, her individual
Alright,
feats
the
are
combatants
not
are
bad,
set, and
but
we've run the data through all
you also have to
possibilities.
take into
But first,
consideration
we'll tell you about hymns.
that she doesn't have the enemies to combat. Like, it's not even close. Wonder Woman versus literally fucking any of the people they talked about, like, is a joke. Green Lantern versus them, like,
Black Canary, but it seemed like Sindel's feats were crazy. Because even watching Black Canary scream, she didn't rip anybody to shreds. It was like ripping off clothes and knocking them back and on the ground. Sindel was fucking ripping people's body parts off with her scream.
yeah. I don't know. I still don't feel like.
But
I
I'm
mean,
gonna stick with Black Canary.
I'm gonna stick with Canary as well. I feel like they don't really like to. God damn it. I feel like they don't really like to. Jesus Christ. Go with just what they've done. They also like to go with who they fought and scale them up to that. I just feel like Death Battle likes to scale a lot, even if the person's other feats don't really match up to what they do. So I feel like her fighting with Wonder Woman and sparring on par with her is gonna be the deciding factor. All right, let's go ahead and check it out.
Talk about Scooby-Doo meets Fight Club.
It's that hair.
Enough of this farce, Earthrealmer. Behold your queen! I shall strip the flesh from your bones.
Another thing about the speed difference, that nanosecond thing might be a big thing for Canary.
Yeah, the reaction speed thing. Oh, okay. That's a fucking rip. Damn.
Are you hurt, child? Let me sing you a lullaby.
No kidding. I almost fell asleep.
Oh yeah, we got some DBZ beam battles going on here, boys. She got wrecked.
So are ring outs a thing here?
Insufferable creature, we fight to the death!
Damn, she just got a fucking boo bomb thrown at her.
Pretty bird with such an
Kamehameha!
ugly tail.
Quick!
Tell me, can you fly?
She can't.
Tell me, do you bleed?
Oh shit.
Nope. Got her. Here it comes. She's about to do some crazy shit. Got her. Oh, bye. Fatality.
Fatality.
Hey. That's a bad bitch.
Looks like Sindel's head is blasting up again! Or, well, for the first time technically, so I tried to work it in, guys.
This battle was a curious one. For the most part, Sindel's physical strength, projectiles, and aerial maneuverability let her keep up with the bird of prey.
Yeah, she was 160 times stronger, but Canary's made a living off fighting superhumans who are even stronger than that, like Mammoth and Giganta, so I guess that wasn't that big of an advantage, really.
Comparing Cabal's bullet timing to her nanosecond reaction, Dinah's reaction speed was easily 60 million times faster, and with her wide array of martial arts abilities,
Holy
she
shit.
certainly capitalized on this.
Sure, Sindel had some awesome moves, but sadly, stepping
She's
on
a
people
normal
like
human,
hot
guys.
Matrix doesn't quite stack up when Black Canary mastered way more fighting styles. Plus, she's been training all her life. Adenia was super peaceful before Shao Kahn came along, so I doubt Sindel was taking names and kicking ass all before that.
But let's move on to the comparison everyone wants to know. Which was deadlier, the Banshee Scream or the Canary Cry? We know Dinah's
Joey
cry
predicted.
could reach 300 decibels. In comparison, the results of Sindel's most powerful scream are similar to a 5.0 earthquake, which is equivalent to only 235 decibels.
Damn,
I
you
know
suck,
what you're
Joey.
thinking. That's
I
a
do.
difference of only
I mean, it's from what they
65
showed
decibels.
us.
That can't be all that different. Wrong! It's totally different, because decibels are freaking weird.
See, decibels are not like meters or minutes, which scale geometrically. Instead, decibels scale logarithmically. For every 10 decibels a sound is, its intensity increases tenfold. So 30 decibels
Holy
is 10 times
shit.
greater than 20 decibels. 40 is 10 times greater than 30, and so on.
So, every increase multiplies the sound instead of just adding to it. Wait a minute, that means the Canary Cry would be...
About 1,000,000 times stronger than the Banshee Scream, nearly 500 megatons of TNT.
Holy
Awesome.
shit.
The closest real-life comparison we can make is
Is
the
it coming up the
Krakatoa
island?
eruption of 1883. A volcano blast so powerful it could be heard over 3,000 miles away. Not so different from what Dinah has been shown to be capable of.
It also didn't hurt that Canary had those special membranes in her ears to guard against Sindel's scream.
In the end, Canary had the speed, skill, and raw decibels to finish her.
It was Sindel's time to die. Nah.
What, no pun about screams?
Well, I was gonna, but I thought a pun that obvious wouldn't be allowed.
The winner is Black Canary.
Siri, how wrong can one person be?
I found this on the web.
Oh my god, it said how long can one person be? No! Close the porn! Okay, we're fine. Oh shit, Leonardo versus Jason? From
Red
fucking
Ranger versus
Power
the Red
Rangers,
Turtle
dude? That's crazy.
That's crazy. That was a good battle. I'm glad Canary won. It's just from the visuals they shown, but I guess the difference in skill they were fighting. I mean, obviously, like Black Canary's blast wasn't going to rip apart Wonder Woman.
I mean, you don't have to convince me. You suck. I mean,
That's facts.
whatever. No, I mean, it was a solid battle. I like their little... It was very DBZ-ish, which I think is fine. We haven't really had a lot of battles like that recently. Where, like, some crazy shit's going on. We got, like, fucking beeves going back and forth at each other. She was shooting, like, this ball of destruction at her or whatever. And then we got that little fatality line at the end. So that was a good presentation. I like the voice actress for Canary. I don't really have that much of a problem with their calculations or anything like that. I think it's pretty par for the course for Death Battle and what they like to do. So consistent with their normal strategies and stuff like that. And yeah, I mean that's basically it. They didn't even bring up like Wonder Woman. They just used some of her lesser opponents that she beats or whatever, which I think is a good idea because I don't think Canary's on the same level as Wonder Woman. I watched one of the clips of Wonder Woman when she like goes mad for a minute or whatever, and she fights like Black Canary and like all of the other women of the Justice League, like Hawker, like literally all of them, and she fucking decimates like every single one of them at the same time. They have no fucking chance.
Damn.
She just fucking annihilates them, which some of them aren't even fucking superhuman or anything like that. But like the Huntress was there or whatever, and what can she do? Fucking Diana could snap her neck before she even knew that her neck was snapped. She'd be dead. So that's fair. Like the Huntress or whatever her name is couldn't even do anything. But I just think it's still funny that like she just fucking whooped all of their asses at the exact same time. Wonder Woman's a beast. It's in a video about Wonder Woman, but I just want to talk about how baller Wonder Woman is.
Looks like it.
She's awesome. Anyway, yeah. Besides that, it was a pretty solid battle. Next time they come out with one, we'll watch it. Tell us about it. Catch you on the dark side.